Yes.
Okay, I just need signature for you then.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate that. There you
All
go.
right, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye. Oh my God. I got this box in from Louis Vuitton. I'm so excited. I'm gonna do an unboxing here soon. I just got this in the mail. I am so excited. UPS just dropped this off. I'm not supposed to be opening this. It's supposed to be my Christmas present, one of my Christmas presents, but I'm gonna open this anyways. It's a limited edition mini pochette. So let me go ahead and show you. I was so excited when I saw this online, and I called them right away because this is definitely something I wanted for Christmas. Oh my God, I can't open it. Let's see here. Here is the mini pochette in my package over here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I am so excited to open this. I've been wanting something limited edition with Louis Vuitton, especially a pochette, a mini pochette, and I am just so excited to get this. And it is the cutest piece I've seen in a long while. So, oh my God, how cute is this? Look at that, look at the theme on this. It's doves, and the blue dove here is holding the Speedy, the Noe Noe, and the BB right there. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. It is made in France. I don't think you can really see that. I don't know if you can see that. It's made in France, and I was hoping the inside was pink. It's not. Oh, it's the nude color. And it smells so good. And it has that beautiful Muse store smell. But I looked online just the other day for this, and I saw this, and oh my God, they have 3 different ones. And I saw this one and I thought, nope, this is me here. My other pochette is a Dame Azur as well, but it's the plain one. And I really favor my Dame Azur. So anything that I have Dame Azur, and I think this is so cute. This is the cutest pochette that I have seen. I mean, that is so pretty. Look at that. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I know I'm not supposed to be opening this yet because this is one of the gifts my husband is giving to me for Christmas. So just to let you know, he does not know that I've opened this, but he will probably find out once he gets back because I've literally tore this box open. So anyways, let me show you a picture of my husband. He is not here right now, but you can thank me after you see this thing here. That is my husband. He is a fireman. He is the chief right now, and he is gorgeous. He is on the fireman calendar here. You're welcome. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And I am going to put up a lot more videos on luxury goods and maybe some skincare and foundation. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would so greatly appreciate that. But before I go, I will let you peek at my husband one more time. And you're welcome. Thank you, and have a wonderful day, and God bless. Bye.